Redmon!
Mind your cough.
Thomas, can you go to kindergarten?
Yes! My flu is all gone now!
Really? That's good. Thomas, wear a mask just in case.
What? A mask? Masks are stuffy!
Even so, you need to wear a mask so you don't spread the flu. Wow, what a cool guy you are!
David, here! Whoops! Huh? Here, Thomas! Thank you, Melanie! Achoo! Ew! Thomas! Sorry!
Thomas, where's the mask your mommy gave you?
I took it off!
You should use a tissue or handkerchief when coughing or sneezing.
Why?
Look at the screen, Thomas. The nasty germs that fly out of your nose can go into someone else's mouth or nose, or get on their hands so they might catch the flu.
Really? Achoo! Achoo! Melanie, don't get sick!
Yes, so be careful when you cough or sneeze. Use a towel or tissue. And don't touch your eyes,
Yahoo!
nose, or mouth with dirty hands.
Okay. Handkerchief! Achoo!
Well done, Thomas.
Mind your cough. Put on a mask.
That's it. Great job.
Melanie, here, wear this mask. Why, Thomas? You should wear a mask in crowded places. You might get the flu. Really? Thank you, Thomas!